Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for an Amazon company. This was sent to me to review, and this is from the same company. I did purchase this and I just wanted to review them in the same order. He does have a Facebook group that he does offer, reviews and discounts, and I'll link that in the description. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to start with the little accessory kit that he sent. Oh, you know what? I think this is from Santa Direct. Let me read this. Yes, it is from Santa Direct. So they just sent a little customer service card. And it does ask you if you're satisfied with the products and service that you can leave a Amazon review. So I forgot, it was from Santa Direct. So I've ordered quite a bit from Santa Direct, and I've always been happy with my purchases. I think that this A2 light board came from Santa Direct. My husband did purchase it, but I do think that's where it came from. Let's see here. I can't seem to get into this. Okay, I thought that the tape was just tape, but I don't know. I see the opening now. Alrighty. So I went ahead and offered to review this for him because I am going to go on the truck with my fiance here in the next couple weeks, and I wanted to have something compact that I can put my tools in so I can still diamond paint while we're on the road. So they did send some stickers. They do have numbers on them. It's 1 through 50. And it has a little space where you could either put the symbol and the DMC or the DMC number, however you normally would kit up your kits. So that's nice. It's supposed to be 121 pieces. I'm not going to need all of the stuff that came in here, but that's okay. We got a lot of baggies. They're the 2 by, I don't know, 2. This is in centimeters, so that's not going to help me. I think they're 2 by 2. They aren't the real strong plastic. They're probably a 2 mil, but that's nice. There's a lot of baggies in here. I sent a couple little spoons. These will be helpful with something like this. If I just needed to scoop out a few diamonds, I could use these. I have a cute little owl pen, and it has a 2-placer, and this does light up, so that's cute. I do have one of these. I've misplaced it. I used it a little bit, so that's cute. That might be handy. I have a lot of pens with little grippers on them. These are different grips. These are actually really nice grips, and this one is an angled. They all look to be angled. I've never used an angled one, so maybe I'll give that a shot. But they are slightly angled. And then we have a straightener, and then we have a couple more 2-placers. Maybe that's a 3. These might be 3-placers, sorry. I think that's a 3-placer. We have cheapy plastic. And we have another little light up owl with a different placer on the end. It's probably a 6-placer, and it is a little bit angled. We have some light board clips, so you can, or clip your diamond painting on whatever you're working on. Some more spoons, and I think this is glue. Yes, which is nice. I have 2 of those, it looks like. Got another pen in here. This is a really great starter kit. These are a little bit different. So this one is just a little bit wider than the ones that I currently have, and it's actually pretty strong. That's, I don't know, this is not, it's a little flimsy, but nothing too bad. Oh shoot, I don't remember where I pulled that one out of. Oh well, I'll figure it out later. And then we have some really good wax. This seems really, I don't know, it feels different. It's not as, like, this is not very bendable, and this I can bend. So maybe it's better wax. I'll have to give that a try. And we have another little clippy. So we got 2 glues, got some little containers. I probably wouldn't use those, but if I needed to in a pinch, they're handy. And we got this little tray that holds 12. It's numbered 1 through 12. It is very small. It's not going to hold a lot at all, but for a small project, those lift pretty easily and they clamp down pretty good too. So let's see here. And we've got 2 of the bigger trays. We have 3 of the Mosfa boats and 4 green trays, all the wax, 5 little whiteboard clips, some spoons, 2 of these cheapy plastic. We have a, you know, one of the silver plastikies, 3 little containers, the little glue, baggies, this little storage, and a whole bunch of pins with multi-placers that are angled, and the 2 light up owl pins. So, I mean, that's a pretty good little toolkit there. I'm excited. I will put what I need in it to take with me. I think those bigger trays will actually hold some other accessories I just posted about that don't fit in the trays that I thought they would, but I think they'll fit in there. So that means I have 3 that'll fit, and I only need 2 more. So that is this little cute little box. It's not very big at all. It is about 6 inches long and about 3.5 inches wide, and it is 3 inches deep. So it's not very big. It'll fit into a little compact space, which is what I need it for. So I'm very excited about that. And now we will look at this diamond painting. It is supposed to be a mystery diamond painting. I'm hoping that it's going to be an actual mystery. So it did come in, you know, a nice box. And it is double-sided adhesive, which it was not rolled on a foam, which most of the time you see those, they're rolled on a foam roller. Oh, these legends are tiny. I can't even read what that says. Look how tiny. I think I can get it all into the shot. That's how small it is. I definitely can't read it. Thank goodness there's a inventory sheet. I'm gonna just kind of let that sit there and think about itself for a minute. So we did get a standard kit. This does have this thin multi-placers. We have a 4 and a 10, some wax, some tray or baggies, and a white tray. And there are 33 colors. So on a mystery, they're not going to have any kind of background color. So it's all going to just be black and white on the canvas and everything. So we do have color or symbols, letters, and numbers. And then it tells you the diamond, the DMC number, and how many are in it. And there are no 310s in this, so that's nice. Let's just go through these colors real quick. There are 33 packets. Trying to find number 1. Here we go. So we have a really pretty blue, a mauve, a peach, brownish, tannish brown, a little bit darker mauve, a blue, pink, 3 shades of orange, several shades of yellow, another mauve, like a pink rose color, rose gold color, I don't know, a few blues, and then we have 2 of these darker blue, and another shade of blue, and then we have Bronco colors here. Some more blue, a gray. This is that minty bluish green. Cream, oh, purple, a few more shades of blue, and tan and brown, and white. Or cream white, I'm not sure. So let's see what our canvas looks like. It does say it's a 30 by 40, so I think that's going to be the canvas size. It doesn't. Oh wow, I don't think I will be able to tell what this is, so that's nice. Looks like it'll be a true, I feel like it's a water scene. I think I just saw the moon or the sun. But there we go. So all in all, the symbols are really clear. It's definitely different looking at a canvas that's not colorful. To my naked eye, I didn't look in the camera, but it looks like there's going to be some water and the sun up here, which is fine. Looks like maybe a couple little bitty rivers down here, nothing big. I don't even know if it's actually lifted off the canvas. I don't think it is. So there we have the mystery painting. So this all came from Santa Direct. I will put links in the description for both of these items if you would like to go and purchase for yourself. Now, if I wasn't doing a review on this painting, I wouldn't have lifted it, and it would have been a complete surprise to me as I'm going through, because I would normally start here at the bottom. I would think that I would have started seeing probably the blues down here and figured out it was probably some kind of water scene, but had I not lifted the paper, it would have been a true mystery painting to me. So I do think that they did a good job on their mystery painting. A lot of them you can still see the design really well. So I think that they did a good job. And I'm excited to try it out. Oh, and I need to mention these are also square. So that's nice. And just looking at the packages again, I'm not really seeing any trash. Really can't tell too well until you get into them. But I am noticing on squares, I haven't truly found a square painting that was perfect. The one I'm working on right now, the drills are too small, so there are little gaps in it, but to me that's fine. They don't bother me. As long as they're not popping drills, I'm okay with it. So anyhow, we are super close to 250 subscribers. I think the last time I checked I had 240. So we're only 10 away from the giveaway. I hope to be able to do that giveaway sometime this week. And what I'm going to do is you'll have to comment on that video, and you do need to be a subscriber. So I hope that you guys are all, maybe hit that notification bell so you get the videos when they do come out, and that way you'll see the next video, which will tell you how you can win one of the diamond painting pins and a diamond painting as my giveaway for 250 subscribers. I thank you all so much for subscribing. Your support is amazing, and I hope you guys stick around and check out the next video, and hopefully it'll be the giveaway. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day.